everyone, I'm Teacher Al. Welcome to my channel. Today we're going to study motion problem. I will read the problem. Two buses leave the same station at the same time but travel in opposite directions. The first bus traveled 20 kilometers per hour faster than the second bus. After 3 hours, the buses are 300 kilometers apart. Find the speed of the faster bus. So first we're going to analyze what is asked in the problem. So we're going to find the speed of the faster bus. So we have to have a representation. Let x be the speed of the first and faster bus. Let y be the speed of the second bus. So the equation 1, x equals y plus 20, because this came from the statement first bus 20 kilometers faster than the second bus. So the second bus is y. So that's why our equation 1 is x equals to y plus 20. And our equation 2 is 3x plus 3y equals 300, because the total distance of the two buses, 300 kilometers. Then solve for the equation. We have the equation 1 3x plus 3y equals 300. Then since the equation 1 x equals y plus 10 partial value, so we're going to substitute for the value of x. So the value of x is 3 equals y plus 20 plus 3y equals 300. Then we are going to simplify 3y. So 3 times y equals 3y. Then 3 times 20 equals plus 60 equals 60. Then plus 3y equals 300. Then 3y plus 3y equals 6y equals 300. We're going to transpose the constant 60 to the right side of the equation, and it becomes negative 60. Then 300 minus 60 equals 240. Then 6y equals 240. We're going to find for the value of y, so we're going to eliminate the numerical coefficient, which is 6. So we're going to divide it by 6, the both sides of the equation. So 6y divided by 6 equals y. Then 240 divided by 6 equals 40. So the value of y now equals 40. Then we're going to solve for the value of x using the equation 1. X is equals to y plus 20. And the value for y is 40. We're going to substitute. Then plus 20. So x now equals 60. So therefore, the speed of the faster bus is 60 kilometers per hour. And the lower bus is 40 kilometers per hour. Okay, the second problem about motion. Two cars 600 kilometers apart. One car travels 40 kilometers per hour faster than the other. They travel toward each other, and after 3 hours, the two cars find the speed of each car. So the problem asking for the speed of each car. So our representation, let x be the speed of the faster car and y be the speed of the slow car. And our first equation from the statement 40 kilometers per hour faster than the other. So x equals 2y plus 40. This is equation 1. And the equation 2, x plus y equals 200. Then we're going to solve now the equation using the equation 2. X plus y equals 200. Then the value for x partially y equals y plus 40, we're going to substitute now. So y plus 40 plus y equals 200. Then simplify, we have 2y, then 200 minus 40, because we are going to transpose 40 to the right side of the equation, then change the sign. Then 200 minus 40 equals 160. Then 2y divided by 160, so we're going to divide it by 2, both sides. So y equals 80. 160 divided by 8 equals 80 kilometers per hour. Then solve for x using the equation 1. We have to do just only substitute. X equals y plus 40. The value of y is 40 plus 40. X equals 120 kilometers per hour. So the speed of the car are 120 kilometers, and the other one is 80 kilometers per hour.